Can I start? Hello. Yeah. Can I start? Yeah. The thing is, we are learning. Last class we completed about linear propagation of the light, and also we discussed reflection of light. These two concepts we completed. Yes or no? Now, one more property of light, that is refraction of light. Understand? So what is mean by refraction of light? The bending of the light ray when it is traveling from one medium to other medium. Understand? One medium to other medium. That is mean by refraction of light. So here, let's I'll draw diagram for given statement. Isn't it? I'll draw for diagram for given statement. Let us take this is a interface of the two mediums. This slide is a interface of the two mediums. This is one medium, this is other medium. This is one medium, this is other medium. So this is the interface of the two mediums or boundary of the two mediums. Now a light ray is instant. A light ray is passing from which medium to which medium? Medium 1 to medium 2. Okay. When it is traveling medium 1 to medium 2, this point is actually called point of incident. When it is after striking this interface, this is called actually normal. This is called normal. And where we are drawing the normal, yet point of incident. Understand? Now when it is traveling from one medium to other medium, what going to be happen to the what going to be happen to the light ray? What going to be happen to the light ray? Tell me, when it is traveling from one medium to other medium, what going to be happen? What?
Straight path.
Look at here. Read the refraction phenomena statement. The bending of the light ray when it is traveling from one medium to other medium. Am I right?
Yes.
Which means this is one medium, this is another medium. It is traveling from this medium to this medium. It will bend or not? Okay, light will bend. So here, this is the way the bending takes place. This is the way the bending takes place. Not only this way, we have another possibility of the bending. Let us see the other possibility of the bending. Again, I am taking, this is one medium, this is other medium. Light ray is traveling from one medium to other medium. This point is called point of incident. Here you can draw normal. This is your normal. This totally, completely normal. This is. Now here, light ray traveling from one medium to other medium. This is also possible. This bending also possible. Understand?
Yes.
What is mean this? What is the bend here? What in which side it is bending? In which side it is in this second diagram? In which side it is bending? Can you tell me?
Yes.
Tell me. Here in the first diagram, in the first case, the light ray is bending which direction? In the second case, light ray is bending which direction?
It is decreasing.
Yeah. The thing is, this is the normal. Am I right?
Yes.
In the first case, the light ray bending towards the normal. Yes or no? In the second case, the light ray is bending away from the normal.
Yes.
So these are the two phenomena we can call as refraction only. But when this situation is possible, that is important. Understand? Knowing about this situation possibilities is knowing about refraction of light. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Here, in the first case, the light ray is traveling one medium to other medium. It will bend towards the normal when light ray traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. Right? Or when light ray traveling when light ray traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, rarer medium to denser medium, rarer medium to denser medium, denser medium, light will bend towards the normal. Light will bend towards the normal. Understand? So here this statement is representing which diagram? First diagram or second diagram? First diagram or second diagram? Read once again.
First diagram.
Yeah,
First
first diagram. In this case, the light ray traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, it will bend towards the normal. Understand? Next, same way. Same way. How can you express the second statement, second diagram statement?
When light traveling from the rarest medium to denser medium, light will bend towards the surface.
Here, not that correct answer. Look at here. When light ray travel, denser to rarer, denser medium to rarer medium, denser medium to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal, away from the normal. Understand? So this one is representing which diagram? Second or first? Second, yeah. So when light ray travels denser medium to rarer, this is dense. This is denser medium. This is rarer medium. In this case, this is rarer medium. This is denser medium. Opposite direction, opposite direction. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So, is there any questions? Do you have
Yes, sir.
any questions? Do you have?
Sir?
Yeah, any questions you have? Yeah. Look once again. Listen carefully. When light ray traveling from rarer medium to denser medium, the light ray will bend towards the normal. When light ray traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, light bend away from the normal. That is a phenomenon. That is, you know one thing. These two terms is useful for throughout the refraction chapter. Okay. Either you go with the lenses, either you go with mediums, any kind of refraction. These two phenomena only will learn. Understand? So these are the main fundamental points. These are the main fundamental points for the refraction of the light ray. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Without these points, you cannot do anything for refraction phenomena. Understand? So once again, listen carefully. When light ray traveling from rarer medium to denser medium bends towards normal. When light ray traveling denser medium to rarer medium bends away from the normal. Keep it in mind. Now in this case, this angle. Look at here, this angle. What is this angle? This angle is called angle of incident. Okay, same way, this angle is called angle of not reflection, refraction. Understand? So this is called angle of incident. This is called angle of refraction. Similar way, this is called angle of incident. This is called angle of refraction. Understand? Keep it in mind. And this point is called point of incident. This is called boundary of the two mediums. Here also this point is called point of incident. This is called boundary of the two mediums, and this is incident light ray, this is refracted light ray. This angle is called angle of incidence. This angle also called, this angle is called angle of refraction. This is called angle of incidence, this is called angle of refraction, and this light ray is called refracted light ray, this light ray is called incident light ray. And this is what? This is what? Normal. This is normal. Understand? Understand? Yeah, these are the terminology related to refraction of the light. Note down. Note down. Completed?
Sir,
Now, look at here. Now, see in this, observe one thing. So we are learning everything. Okay, clearly we are learned. Bending of the light ray is called bending of the light ray when it is traveling from one medium to other medium is called refraction. Everything okay. When it is traveling from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. Denser medium to rarer medium bends away from the normal. Everything clear. But the thing is, what is mean by rarer medium? What is mean by denser medium? What is mean by rarer medium? What is mean by denser medium? Tell me, do you have any idea? So write down rarer medium. Rarer medium. Rarer medium. What is mean by rarer medium? Rarer medium, we can express the rarer medium. We can define the rarer medium by using speed of the light. Understand? By using the concept of the speed of the light, we will say whether it is rarer or denser. So now let's write it is a rarer medium means it is a medium. It is a medium. It is a medium in which it is a medium in which the speed of the light ray is greater. The speed of the light is greater comparatively comparative to the other medium. Understand? It is a medium. Rarer medium means it is a medium in which the speed of light is greater comparatively to the other medium. Understand? Means in rarer medium means speed of the light is greater. Simply. Understand?
yes, sir.
Again, denser medium. Write down denser medium. So here, in which medium the speed of the light ray is greater comparatively other medium, that is called what? What kind of medium?
Rarer mediums.
Rarer medium. Now what is mean by denser medium?
It is a medium in which the speed of light is less.
Very good.
Lesser comparatively to the
Ah,
other.
very good, excellent. That is right answer. It is a medium is a medium in which the speed of light the speed of light smaller, greater, lesser comparatively than other medium is a medium in which the speed of light lesser comparatively than other medium is called denser medium. Understand? Yeah. So now by using these two, now you have to say the logical question, logical information. Is this two completed? Is these two things completed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now from these two statements, you have to know the logical information. What is this logical information? Once again, let's take the bending of the light ray. This is rarer medium. This is denser medium. Now this is a light ray. It is coming from which medium to which medium?
Rarer to denser.
Yeah. When rarer to denser, this point is called point of incidence. This is called what? Normal. Understand? This is called normal. When this is a normal, in which direction the light ray will bend?
Rarer to denser.
Rarer to denser. In which direction the light ray will bend? In which direction the light ray will bend? Need to say the answer. Towards the normal. Okay, this is called angle of incident. This is called angle of refraction. Similar way, one more situation. This is a denser medium. This is rarer medium. The light ray traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. In which direction it will bend?
Away from the normal.
Very good, excellent. You are away from the normal. Here, this is called angle of incidence. This is called angle of refraction. Am I right? No, the logical information from these two things are. What is the logical information? The logical information is rarer medium means what? What is mean by rarer medium?
It is a medium which is the
Yeah, you are right. Tell me. It is a medium in which the speed of the light ray is greater or smaller, lesser? Greater means in this medium speed of light ray is greater. Denser medium means speed of light ray is lesser. Which means that the light ray traveling from this medium to this medium, the speed of the light ray increases or decreases?
denser to rarer, sir. Lesser.
Increases or decreases? I am asking the question. That is the logic. So rarer to denser, when it is coming from rarer to denser, what will be the velocity, speed of the light ray? Increases or decreases?
Decrease.
Very good. Why? When light ray, write down, when light ray traveling from rarer to denser medium, rarer to denser medium, the speed of the light ray Increases or decreases?
Decreases.
Decreases. It is the first point. Same way, here in the second diagram, when light ray traveling from denser to rarer, the speed of the light ray increases or decreases?
Increase.
Very good. Same point. When light ray
Travels.
when light ray traveling from denser medium to rarer medium.
The speed of light increases.
Very good. The speed of the light ray, speed of light ray increases. Okay, this is all about what? Logical information by using this rarer medium and denser medium. Okay, one more logical information. When light is traveling from rarer to denser, because of the decreasing speed, the light ray bends towards the normal. That is one more logical information. Similar way, when light is traveling from denser to rarer, because of the increasing the light speed, so that it is move away from the normal. That is one more logical information through here. Got it? Now here one more completed. But as it is passing from rarer to denser to rarer, the speed of the light ray is decreases or increases. Okay, by using the speed of the light rays, you have come to know whether the medium is rarer or denser. But without having the speed of the light ray, how can you express the medium is a denser, the medium is a rarer? So once again I am repeating my question. Without having the speed of the light rays, without observing the speed of the light rays, how can you express the whether the medium is denser or rarer? Yeah, this is possibility by taking the refractive index. So this is possibility.
If it is nearer to the normal, it is.
Yeah. The thing is, by using refractive index concept, we can come to know the medium is rarer or denser. Let's talk about refractive index. Better write on refractive index. Understand? Refractive index generally represented with n or mu. In any one of the letter, mu is a Greek letter, n is a alphabet. Any one of the letter we can represent refractive index. So first one is absolute refractive index. This is, you can even shortly represent as a RI, absolute refractive index. So it is a absolute refractive index, nothing but the speed of the light ray in vacuum to the speed of light ray in given medium. Simply, what is the absolute refractive index? The speed of light ray in vacuum to speed of light ray in medium. Simply, it is a ratio. It is a ratio between speed of light ray in vacuum to speed of light ray in medium. So we will call as a absolute refractive index. Better write down. Absolute refractive index means what? Speed of light ray in medium vacuum by speed of light ray in medium. So in words also, right? Speed of light in vacuum, speed of light in vacuum by speed of light ray speed of light ray in vacuum to speed of light ray in medium. So speed of light ray in vacuum represented with letter C, and speed of light ray in medium represented with letter V. Generally, the speed of the light ray in vacuum, it is a constant. The constant value is, you know very well, that is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Okay, the C value is a constant. Speed of light ray in medium is speed of light ray in vacuum is constant. The value is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Understand? This is absolute refractive index. Here, is this absolute refractive index having any units? Tell me. Look at here. This is a speed of light ray in medium. Speed of light ray in medium will be represented with meter per second. Even speed of light ray in vacuum also represented with meter per second. This meter per second gets cancelled. Then what is the refractive index? Absolute refractive index C by V. So which means the C by V not having any units. So refractive index not have any units. It's a just number. It is not having any units. Now I'll give a question to you. Better write down the question. The question is, in that question in a given medium, speed of light ray in a given medium speed of light ray is 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. In a given medium, speed of light ray is how much? 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Now find the refractive index of the medium. Refractive index of the medium. This is the question. What is the formula for refractive index of the medium? N is equal to C by V, not U. What is the value of C? Is a constant, kada?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of C? Just now I told.
Yes.
What is the value of C?
Speed of light in
Vacuum. How much it is value? 3 into 10 power 8, not 1. It is 8, not 1. Now tell me, 3 into 10 power 8 upon what is the speed of the light in a given medium?
2 into 10 power 8 plus 8.
So this one gets cancelled. Remaining thing is what?
3 by 2.
3 by 2 is what?
C.
1.5 kada?
Yes.
Next. One more question I will give. In a given medium, speed of light is 2.5 into 10 power 8 meter per second. In a given medium, the speed of the light ray is how much? 2.5 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Now find the refractive index of the medium. Find refractive index of the medium. So what is the formula?
C by V is equal to 3 into 10 power 8
N is equal to C by V. C value is what?
3 into
10 power 8.
meter per second.
Next V value how much here?
2.5 into 10 power 8.
Very good. 2.5 into 10 power 8. Cancel it.
10 power 8 and 10 power 8.
Cancel these two cancel. And n is equal to 3 by 2.5. I can write this as a 30 by 25. 30 by 25. 5 6 are 5 5 are, which means n is equal to 655. Understand? So can you tell me one thing? 2 into 10 power 8 greater or 2.5 into 10 power 8 greater? Which is value? Which value is greater? This is first one. This is a second one. Which value is greater? 2.5 or
Second one.
Second one. Which means this medium is having more speed of light. Right? This medium has less color. So among the two, 192, which is rarer medium, which is denser medium?
2.5 is rarer medium, sir. 2 is denser.
Yeah, one more here. N is equal to here in this formula. N is equal to, how can you write here? Multiply with 2, divide with 2. So totally N is equal to 12 by 10. 12 by 10, which is equal to 1.2. Understand? So here among the two, which one is denser medium, which one is rarer medium?
1.5 is 2 is rarer medium. 1.5 is denser.
What is meant by denser medium?
Sir?
What is meant by denser medium?
It is lesser, sir.
Who is having less speed? 2 or 2.5? Which one is?
2.5, sir.
2.5 lesser speed than 2.
Because the n value.
I am not asking n, I am asking speed of the light ray. Here speed of the light ray is 2 into 10 power 8. Here speed of the light ray 2.5 into 10 power 8. Which is greater speed? This second
2.5, sir.
2.5 is greater speed. Then where greater speed you are having, that medium is called denser medium or rarer medium?
Rarer, sir.
Rarer. So this is a denser medium. So this is denser medium, this is rarer medium. The same way, observe the refractive indexes. Who is having greater refractive index, 1.5 or 1.2 now?
1.5.
Which means who is a denser medium having greater refractive index? With that we can come. Understand? Who is having greater refractive index? That we call as a denser medium compared to the other medium. That is where we can give the conclusions. Okay? So today with this I will stop the session. And in coming classes, next class will explain how refraction takes place across the glass, and also Snell's law will explain. Understand? Today I'll stop the session. Bye.